Dubai is one of the marvelous city and has the best tourist attraction in the world. Owing to its location in the northern desert belt, Dubai experiences a tropical desert-like climate. Summers are extremely hot and humid, therefore October to March is the best time to visit. So here are the top 12 Dubai winter activities which will help you plan your holiday in the best possible way. If you want more detailed information related to the listed activities, then we have shared a link to our personal vlogs in the description as well as in the comment section. Global Village claims to be the world's largest tourism, leisure, shopping and entertainment project. It combines the culture of 90 countries across the world at one place. Here the entry fees is only 15 dirhams. Children below the age of 3 and seniors above 65 have a free entry, and it opens only in winters, that is from October to April. Burj Khalifa. Standing tall at a height of 2,700 feet, this mega tall skyscraper is the tallest building in the world. Any trip to Dubai is incomplete without visiting this man-made engineering masterpiece. Its entry fees for adult is 125 dirhams, children between 4 to 12 years is 95 dirhams, and there is a free entry for children under 4 years. Desert safari is one of the most romantic things to do in Dubai in winters. Live an Emirati lifestyle for a day which starts with dune bashing, quad biking, sand skiing, camel ride, sunset photography, belly dance, and it ends with a delectable barbecue dinner along with shisha and drinks. This whole package normally ranges between 50 to 100 dirhams. The world of floral wonder awaits you at Dubai Miracle Garden, the world's largest natural flower garden. The 72k square meter park has an impressive lineup of famous buildings and structures completely transformed into colorful flower displays. Here you can immerse yourself among more than 50 million blooming flowers throughout the different exhibits. This garden is open only during winters, and the entry fees for adult above 12 years is 55 dirhams, children from 3 years to 12 years is 40 dirhams, and below 3 years is free entry. Dark Rose Tour is absolutely one of the most preferred attractions of the city of Dubai. Here you will find the ultimate cozy and welcoming ambience of exclusive dining. It is one of the most romantic dream place for couples who have come to Dubai for honeymoon. Here you can enjoy the lavishing dinner with barbecue menu while serving the famous tanura and puppet dance show. This package varies between 50 to 100 dirhams. You can witness the tallest performing fountain in the world during a visit to downtown Dubai. This Dubai fountain offers once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to immerse yourself in the captivating water, music and light experience. Submerged within the 30 acres Burj Lake at the foot of the Dubai Mall, this fountain comes to life every 30 minutes from 6 p.m. daily, and it's free of cost. Riverland Dubai is a gateway to Dubai Parks and Resorts, a themed fun dining and retail destination which you can access without purchasing a ticket. Take a walk along the river on a journey through time, where 4 different zones give a fascinating glimpse into some of the greatest eras of our past: the French Village, Boardwalk, India Gate and the Peninsula. This place will also give you access to Dubai parks such as Legoland, Motion Gate and Bollywood Park on purchasing a ticket. When beachfront destination in Dubai comes to mind, there is no doubt that La Mer Dubai tops the list. Located in Jumeirah 1, this beachfront venue by Mira's boasts some of the hottest dining, retail and entertainment options. From fun water parks, licensed restaurants to boutique cinemas, there is so much fun to do at La Mer. In fact, this place is one of the city's most Instagrammable locations. The bustling Dubai Creek has been the lifeblood of the city for generations and continues to attract the visitors year-round. For just 1 dirham, you can hop on one of many traditional boats known as Abras to cross the creek that separates Bar Dubai from Deira. The Abras or the water taxis run every few minutes throughout the day. In this short ride, you can admire a spectacular view of old and new Dubai, including traditional houses, towers and minars. Some of the top best beaches of Dubai are Jumeirah Beach Residence, Jumeirah Beach Park, Kite Beach, Al Mamzar Beach Park, Marina Beach. Most of the above mentioned beaches have basic services like bathrooms, changing rooms and showers, and most of the official beach parks also have lifeguards. Some beaches also offer smart palms, which are free public Wi-Fi hotspot with solar powered device charging stations. If you're planning a fun barbecue with your family and friends, we have got you covered. Find your perfect spot, fire up the grill and enjoy some delectable barbecue treats. The top public barbecue places in Dubai are Dubai Creek Park. The entry fees will be 5 dirhams per person. Jumeirah Beach Park, the entry fee will be 5 dirhams per person and 25 dirhams per car. Mushrif Park, entry fees will be 10 dirhams per person. Al Qudra Lake, here the entry fees is free. Al Mamzar Beach Park, entry fees will be 5 dirhams per person and 30 dirhams per car. The Gold Souk is Dubai's most famous and most visited souk. This market walkway is home to hundreds of retailers offering a huge selection of jewelry made from gold, silver, diamond and other precious metal and stones. It's a very fascinating place that should be on every tourist list, even those with no intention of making a purchase. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope the video was helpful and informative. If you liked the video, then do like and subscribe to our channel Explore City and stay tuned for more upcoming updates.